For a couple of days ago, I showed in a video how important it is to understand how to draw correct demand and supply zones, value zones. And and for about a week ago, I draw this value zone, demand zone with the wicks here. That's a very accurate trick I've been learning being a hedge fund manager professional for 15 years. That if you mark out, in this case, if you would like to go short, you mark out these upper wicks here and mark them out. And here you can see that the price of the Apple stock went up and touches the box where the sellers stepped in, a great supply. And this video is a follow-up from my trade from this week. And now we can see that it's the third week now where the Apple stock drops below. And we can see that on the left side here's the first resistance level at this very moment. This is the major resistance level. I can draw and show you what I think will be the first real support level. If you mark out the second, those two wicks here you can see a bullish pin bar, a huge buying pressure here as well. You have a wick on the downside, and it closes very strong. So these levels here, this zone is very important. So I mark out this wick here and this second one here. So when the stock Apple touches the roof of this box, this demand zone, or somewhere in this box, I will go in heavy and buy the Apple stock. I can show you here. This is my YouTube channel about trading, investing, finance, and how to trade. And this is the video, short selling Apple. I made almost $700 in a quick trading, short selling there 9 days ago. So this was my first video about this topic. And since that's when I described this supply level or zone, it really worked out well. So, well, here's also a former resistance level that will act like a support. So it's on the level 154.35. But I think the price will hit the roof here of this box, this demand box of 152. Okay, I hope you like this video, and please subscribe on my channel and make me inspired to continue to share free material with you and the latest update when it comes to stock trading, forex trading, commodity trading. And I would appreciate it. Thanks. Take care.